28,000 caribou. The herd is so large and the grass so sparse that if they stop moving, they'll run out of food and starve. Born into a life of perpetual motion, this newborn had to run within hours of birth to keep pace. The herd enters the valleys that funnel towards the rich pastures by the sea. This canyon belongs to their enemies. A pair of wolves. They survey the ground for a tactical advantage. Carefully, they begin their approach to the herd. A steep slope filled with obstacles. Here, the caribou won't be able to maneuver as a single herd. In the turmoil, mother and calf get separated. The mother must run for her life. On this field of boulders and deep trenches, the caribou can't build up speed. They must constantly change course. The calf stumbles. The scrambled herd regroups. Mothers and calves know each other by smell, but one mother will continue on her own. It's the wolf's first meal in days, and she too has hungry mouths to feed. Every mother knows she'll do anything to protect and provide for her kids.